with a digital display that can be started and stopped at a certain points to provide exact timing. It has buttons that are clicked or pressed at the beginning and end of an event. This way it tells exactly how long the events takes place. That will be stopwatch, a watch with a digital display. The stopwatch optimal using sports like a race and basketball game, fitness training and scientific experiment. In these activities, it is important to exactly measure short intervals or the space of time between events.